So let's do another program to find the input character and print whether the given character is alphabet, digit, or any other character. So first save this file. I'll write this alpha numeric.py. So for this, first we have to uh, input a character. So for this, we'll take the character as ch. So I'll write input statement. Enter a character. So this character can be anything, alphanumeric, digit, or any number. So that's why we have not given any float or integer value before the input statement. So we'll check whether this character is alphabet or digital or digit or it's another special symbol. So for that we will write if elif statement. So first we will write if ch dot is elf. So this is our iself is a inbuilt function. So after that we will write colon, then we will write print ch is a alphabet. Next we will write elif ch dot, we will write if this, we'll write if digit. So if it's a digit, then we'll write print ch is a digit. Next we will check for alphanumeric. So we'll write else elif ch is elf elnum. So elnum is for alphanumeric. So if this condition is true, then we'll print out ch is a alphanumeric value. And finally, we will write else statement and we write print ch is a special character. So let's save this program and run the program. Let's make it a bit beautiful. Let's give a space around here. We'll give okay, enter a character. Let's give D. So if we press D, and it should be a character, so it will write D is a alphabet. So again, if we run the program, let's give a digit 6. So it say 6 is a digit. So here again we'll give a alphanumeric value. So let's give num12. So num12 is a alphanumeric. Let's give a special character. So hash is a special character. So we can see we use all the built-in functions, which is alpha, is digit, and is elnum.